Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of One to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a banner to your Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add a banner to your Pinterest, you just simply have to open your Pinterest application at first. Then after that, go to your profile page and then you will see your Pinterest banner if you already have that into the backside, and if you don't have the banner you will see the blank gray color. And now all you have to do is to tap into these three dots at the top right, and from there you will get this edit cover image if you already have a cover picture or banner, and upload a cover image if you don't have a cover or banner yet. You just simply have to select the same thing in both cases, and after selecting that, just simply select a picture from your gallery that you want to add as the cover or banner on Pinterest and click to Done button. If you are editing your cover picture, this message will appear and you just simply have to tap into Update. Then your cover picture will be added or changed successfully. By following these very easy steps, you can add a banner to your Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.